Hey there, welcome back to our Kubernetes tutorial. Today, we are going to dive into interesting realm of DaemonSets. If you are new here, DaemonSets are like the silent guardian of your Kubernetes cluster, ensuring that specific pods are always running on selected nodes. Let's jump right in with a practical example. Now, Kubernetes does not offer a direct command to create DaemonSets, but fear not. We have got workaround. We'll start by generating a deployment YAML configuration file for an Nginx container. Next, we will tweak this deployment YAML to make a DaemonSet. It's a simple edit, changing kind deployment to kind DaemonSet, deleting replicas, field, and removing strategy section. Let's do it. Now, we are ready to apply it. All right, we got to just learn our app name needs to be the lowercase, otherwise it doesn't work. So let's go ahead and fix that. Okay, now let's try to apply again. There we go. We have got our daemon set up and running. Let's see it in the action. Look at that. We have got two instances of Nginx, one on each cluster node. Now, let's spice things up a bit. Ever wondered what happened when we add a new node to the cluster with Minikube? It's a breeze. Give it a moment, and then let's check our pods again. And now we are ready to check our pods. And just like that, new daemon pod is already running on the new pod. Thanks Kubernetes for making it look so easy. That wraps up our DaemonSet adventure today. Next time, we'll be exploring Kubernetes services, making it even easier to access your application. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more Kubernetes tutorial and tips. Until next time, happy clustering.